Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Meet in Chrome and joining the meeting now. Make sure your system volume is audible and not muted. If you use external speakers, plug them in. Once done, locate the Media tab or app you'll play. Having it preloaded avoids delays. Also, turn off other apps that may steal audio or CPU cycles, because stable playback matters. Now you're ready to start the screen share flow and include system audio in the next step. Now click Present Now and choose a tab. That's the quickest way to include laptop audio. Select the tab playing your media, and before confirming, tick Share Audio. This attaches system audio to the stream. If you must share a window or the whole screen instead, make sure your OS audio settings route output correctly, or use a virtual audio cable to send system sound to Meet. Once you confirm, Meet will transmit the tab audio. Adjust tab volume and browser permissions if needed. Finish by confirming attendees hear the audio, ask someone or watch Meet's audio meter for activity. To prevent echo, mute your microphone while presenting and control playback directly from the shared tab so timing stays precise. If participants report silence, stop sharing, confirm Chrome has microphone/sound permissions, and that the system output isn't set to another device, then reshare the correct tab. As a quick fix, reload the Media tab or restart the browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.